The world is changing. Climate action is no longer a choice. It is the future of global trade. But one question remains. Who carries the responsibility of this transition? Global brands are setting ambitious climate targets. Manufacturers are being asked to transform. But a sustainable future cannot be built by shifting the burden to one side. For industries connected to global markets, the transition is urgent. The challenge is not only reducing emissions, it is creating a fair pathway where competitiveness and sustainability move together. That is why Alternate Development Services, ADS, is bringing forward a new global movement, the Shared Transition Responsibility Movement, STRM, a platform built to transform climate commitments into collective action. STRM believes the future requires shared responsibility. Brands, manufacturers, financial institutions, governments, sustainability leaders, working together, not separately. STRM is built on three powerful pillars. Invest together. Because clean energy transition requires shared investment. Procurement is climate policy. Because responsible purchasing can accelerate change. Measure what matters. Because transparency builds trust. ADS is creating the space for dialogue, evidence, and collaboration. Connecting global commitments with local realities. Supporting partnerships that make the transition practical, inclusive, and achievable. A cleaner future cannot depend on one actor, because the transition is shared, or it is not just.